the demand was coming from Botswana, Namibia, especially Botswana, Namibia, and Zambia. They are complaining that we introduced Indoda Edla Amasi, but all it was portrayed in isiZulu. And also people from Lesotho, although they are poor like stones, but they also demanded that we have to explain in isiZulu or even in English. Now let us put you in a picture. This muti, it is a grain like, it's like peanuts, but it is black in color. We call it umalibeni. Umalibeni, this muti, what we do with this muti, guess what? When you kill a fly with a dome, take the muti and put it next to the fly, it will rise up again. If a person is dead, not cremated, just dead at home, but if you take this grain, put it in his pocket or in his nose, this person starts to vibrate. It brings back anything that is dead. We use this muti. But what we normally do, we put this muti in a grave so that we can resurrect the soul of this dead person and abuse it for our own benefit. Now, Indoda Edla Amasi, we open here, we take these grains, couple of these grains, put it inside, so that when we resurrect this dwarf that eats masi, that feeds on masi, masi is called sour milk. Then we put it here, we add sour milk inside. We put mushonga, we put muti inside, we close it. Wait, I said Indoda Edla Amasi innovated, we close it. Then what we do, we take another bottle, small bottle, separate. That bottle will put a medicine inside, another powder inside that bottle, and then we'll cut it in your body and we'll remove blood, put it in this bottle, close it. Thereafter, we connect with this Indoda Edla Amasi. Indoda Edla Amasi, you command authority, you demand money, you demand favor, you demand people, you command anything that you use to fail. If you got serious business, tendering business that are struggling, command this man will do it. Take note, it has been innovated. This man, since you got blood related to this, you are connecting. This man able to talk to you. Even if he wants you or she wants you to go and play lotto, this thing it will tell you. Even if you are preparing to go to the casino, this thing it will tell you exactly the name of the machine and the number of the machine that you have to use or for gambling purposes. This is Indoda Edla Amasi. If I have to explain this thing in isiZulu, not in Zulu, in isiZulu, sikuvusele Indoda Edla Amasi in esigabeni esiphezulu kakhulu. La uthatha amasi uwafake la, bese uthatha lo muthi la. Lo muthi sithi uvuka malibeni, umuthi esivusa ngawo umuntu uma efile. Ethuneni lakhe sifike sifake lento phakathi. Simphahlele sithi vuka mfakabili, vuka umuntu wafele. Wayinjani umuntu walala emathuneni? Sithi sivuka ke manje sosebenza. Bese siyamthatha umphefumulo wakhe sowusebenzisa for inzuzo yethu. Not yabantu bakubo. Lana ke even ungathatha impukane uyibulala ngedumu, uthathe lento lo uyibeke eduze kwempukane izovuka. Uma ufika emzini umuntu eshonile, uma ufuna ukuzenza inyanga enkulu, ukubenza isilima abantu uthathe lento uyifake ekhaleni lomuntu bengaboni. Noma uyiphonse la ejacketini la ngaphakathi ephaketheni. Uma usuyakhuluma into engasele umsangano, lo muntu unyawo liyaqala nyakaza, uyaqala vibrate, but ukuthi uNkulunkulu usemgqashulile. Yabo. Ukuthi akasakwazi kodwa umzimba uyaqala unyakaza, uyaqala ukudikiza. Bese emva kwalokho uyawukhipha. Noma uthi hayi lo muntu uthwetshule nginikeni imali engango 100,000, ngizomlanda la thwetshule khona. Hambani imgqibode ngizomlanda azohlala emzimbeni. Amanga vese sokuzithela nawe yabo. Then ke lana ke sivusa Indoda Edla Amasi. Faka lento la phakathi, ufaka amasi. Uma ufaka umuntu uthathe into oyigqiba endleleni. Bese sikunika linye ibhodlela elincane ukufuna ukugcaba emzimbeni ozo connecta ngawo le ndoda le ehleli khona. Le ndoda nale bhodlela sizolifaka amasi nalo phakathi futhi. Emva kwaloko uyoyigqiba ke lento lena izosebenza le igqitshiwe nale igqitshiwe lena. Emva kwaloko usuyayilanda ke uma usuyilanda sizokunika amasiko ayo. Leli linye ibhodlela oligqibile sizokunika futhi lezo zo2 izokhuluma kuwena, izokhuluma njengedlozi, izokutshela ukuthi hamba odlala umshini ukuthi hamba odlala inamba ezokuthi ekhasini ubiza abantu, yenza yonke into. ufuna ube nawo imali engango 30,000 ungazosifunda umqondo Babu Dokotela.
Babu Dokotela sibonge. Babu Dokotela ake siphinde sibheke la intercontinental ballistic jailbreaker. Sikhuluma ngani la? Intercontinental
wherever you are. You don't have to be a Posmo, you don't have to be a Kalagabusha, you don't have to be in any prison in South Africa, we don't care. Even if you're in overseas, intercontinental ballistic. Sifuna noma ngabe kuphi, lethi sithombe sizokukhipha thina kulelo jela. Lethi sithombe sizokushaya ukhale ngaphandle. Ngesithombe kuphela, intercontinental Babu Dokotela lokhuluma asiyisoli futhi sixolisa kumuntu. Yiba nemali, you pay first uphuma later. Uqala ukukhipha isiboshwa, isigebengu esicotshozwe ngenombolo. Usikhiphe sikushaye ngestori emva lo singakhokheli. Babu Dokotela babesizwe